Hello everyone, welcome to the video. This is day 12 of JavaScript 30 challenge. In this video, we are going to do something weird, that is actually a secret code detection. So suppose we have a secret code in our website, and whenever someone is using this, if he or she actually input that secret code, then something will happen. Like if I show you in our code like this, so there is nothing. If I type something, then you can see there is a text appeared. If I type again, then there is another thing appeared, so like this. So what I did actually typed something and it actually worked for entire website. So how can we do these things? So it can be used for like a surprise gift or something for the client. So we can do this using JavaScript. Let's do this. So for this we have to just register the key pressed. Let's add an event listener. Inside that we are going to add key up event, and let's actually call a function, arrow function. Inside this I'm going to console log our event e.value, sorry, e.key. Let's see the output. Sorry. So as you can see, whenever I'm pressing something, there is a key registered, the key value is registered here. So what we can do here is take an secret code, like so I'm actually giving the secret code is window, and I'm taking a array, an empty array, and every time whenever I press a key, I will push the key to the array. Sorry. Let's check the array. So as you can see, the array is actually increasing. So what we have to do, actually we have to limit it such an way so that the length of the array is limited to the length of the secret code, right? So for this, what we have to do is every time when a new input is coming, we have to cut some value from it. So what we have to cut, we have to cut the starting of the array, so that rest of the thing will remain as our secret code, right? So what I mean, actually, let's see. So what I will do is actually suppose I have inputted secret window, something like this. Okay, so let's understand what we are going to do. So at first I have inputted S, then E, then C, something like that. So whenever it goes 6 later, that means the length of this is 6 actually. So after 6, whenever I input W, S will be deleted. Whenever I input I, E will be deleted. This portion only remain. Whenever I input N, this portion will remain, and C will be deleted, like this, right? So how can we do this? I just have to splice something. So pressed word dot splice. So what am I going to splice? Okay, so let's comment out this and see something, that is console log. I'm going to start from the negative portion. So from the negative portion, secret code dot length -1, right? So let's do it. Sorry. So that is actually 7, and if I actually start from this, that means -7 is basically this, right? From the last, this is actually -7 because here is 6 later. Then I have to use this in our splice, minus secret code dot length -1. That means I'm starting from here. How many later I have to splice, or how many element I have to splice? I have to splice one element every time, right? So there is a problem, but I can do it right now. So let's try this. Let's write something. See, I'm writing something, but it is not pushing anything in our code. Why? Because I have written 1 here, but when there is no element in our array, if I give 1, then every time one element will be deleted, right? So what else I can do? I have to actually do something so that it actually takes up to 6 at first, then start actually deleting. So whatever what I can do, let's show you. I can actually paste word dot length, right, minus secret code dot length. But this value is, let's see what the value is. So I'm actually showing the value. Let's now show you the value. Now you can see when there was no value, this was -7 and this was -5. Why? Because pressed word length was, after pressing, the pressed word length was 1 and secret length was 6. So 1 minus 6 was -5. So this is -5, and it will not delete anything from the array because it actually starts from -7. That means from here, and it goes up to -5. That means it doesn't go to the array. So here -4, -3, -2, -1 up to this, there are 5 different later, and 0. Now there is 6 later. From now, every time it becomes 1, because every time I input something, it becomes 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. So now it starts from -7. That means the front of the array, and it actually starts from the, it actually deletes one element. That means the front element of the array. So as a result, whenever I actually inputted later, it actually pushed it to the end, and it actually deleted the first or the 0 element later. So here is the thing. So now I have to check the array with our string. Now I'm joining this every time. Let's do it inside if condition is equal to secret code, join equal to secret code, then console log something. So what I will console log done. Let's try this. Sorry. Yes, whenever I typed our secret code or whenever it matches to the secret code, it says done, right? So let's try another. Yes, it actually says done. So let's now add this script. It is actually added here. So I will add something code, something functions from this script, so that a image or a cartoon will be appear in our screen, right? So let's add it inside a bracket and call a function cornify add. So it should be here. So let's try this. Now if I press window, you can see it appears. Let's remove this and type again. Whenever the secret code is matches, something is appeared in our screen. So that's it for today. It was a small video. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like the video. Also, this code will be in my GitHub repository link will be in the description. You can check the code from here. Thank you.